In this guide, I'm going to show you how to change your brush color in Snapchat. Intro. First, open up Snapchat, take a photo or video, it doesn't really matter, and on the editing screen, you need to select the little pencil or brush icon, and then you could start drawing on your snap, right? Like here's a quick little smiley face, I guess. There we go, that's a little bit better. To change your color, you need to go ahead and select this little color wheel, and you can go ahead and change it. For example, let's say we want to change it to yellow. We could draw some pupils in this dude's eyes, just like so, or maybe he's got some yellow teeth, right? That's really all you need to do. Now, there's also other options on here, like you can change it to these like pastel versions of these colors as well. Or what you could also do is put emojis on, just like so. But the process is that simple. I don't even know what I just drew, but this thing is atrocious, right? The process is that simple though. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.